Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Improve your English through picture description. This picture shows three children sitting around a table. They are busy making crafts. The boy on the left has brown hair. He is wearing a blue t-shirt. He is cutting colorful paper with scissors. The boy in the middle has orange hair. He is wearing glasses. He is wearing a blue shirt with red stripe on sleeves. He is holding a red lantern. The girl has orange hair tied into two pigtails. She is wearing a white t-shirt with yellow dots. She is also wearing green pants. She is holding a blue plastic bottle. The children are sitting on red chairs. The table is blue with red legs. On the table, there are sheets of paper. There are scissors on the table. There are also glue sticks. Several colorful bottle caps are on the table. A red and yellow spinning top is lying on the floor. A basket made of colorful paper strip is placed near the window. Outside the window, there are bare trees. The trees are covered with some snow. The sky outside is bright blue. Some buildings can be seen through the window. On the left tree branch, there is a large plastic bottle turned into a bird feeder. A bird is sitting on the branch near the feeder. On the right tree branch, there is a milk carton used as a bird feeder. The children are inside a warm, cozy room. The room has pink curtains. The curtains are tied to the sides of the window. The children look very happy. They are working together as a team. The boy with glasses seems very excited about the lantern. The girl looks curious about the plastic bottle. The boy in blue is focused on cutting the paper. The table is full of colorful craft materials. They are likely making decorations from recycled things. The children are practicing creativity. They are also learning about recycling. The bird feeders outside show how to reuse bottles and cartons. The whole picture is very colorful. It shows children enjoying art and craft activities together. Let's practice picture-based questions and answers. Answers are given at the end of the video. Question 1. How many children are sitting at the table? Question 2. What is the middle boy holding in his hand? Question 3. What is hanging on the right tree outside the window? Question 4. What is lying on the floor near the table? Question 5. What is the girl holding in her hands? Question 6. What color are the chairs the children are sitting on? Question 7. What is the boy on the left doing? Question 8. What color is the girl's t-shirt? Question 9. What can be seen through the window? Question 10. What are the children learning while doing crafts? Like, share, subscribe to the channel for more picture description.